On this episode of Repair, Restore, Revive, it's Corvair versus Camaro. It's door repair versus door skin. It's Mark versus Cody. And we're going to see who can do the repair the fastest. But there is one catch. The loser also loses his job.
That's not what we're going to do, Randy. This isn't some TV show.
What? Yeah, we need drama. This show needs to be loud and fast. There's cars here that need counting.
No. What it's going to be, Cody's going to have the AMD sheet metal. He's going to skin the new Camaro door. What we're going to show you on this one, using some of our Eastwood tools and some metal, how to repair this on your own.
Oh, come on,
That's
guys.
That's it.
We need drama. Come on. People want to see drama. Hey, Cody, did I tell you Mark was hitting on your fiance?
What?